Jai Hind everyone. Choosing a stream is easier than choosing a fifth subject at +2 level. CBSE offers many subjects and our school is running a lot of subjects. I am talking about the computer science subject. So we run three subjects here: computer science, informatics practices, and web application, where computer science and informatics are the academic electives and the web application is a skill course. I am talking only about the informatics practices. I'll discuss the course content, the marking scheme, the future scope, and much more about Python. Basically, Python is a language introduced by CBSE, which is more in demand now in the market. So I'm telling you firstly the what content we have in the informatics courses. So first is the Python language we're going to learn. Then we go for a data analysis with Python pandas. Pandas is a module of Python that we can add and we can do the data analysis with Python. Next is the RDBMS. It is a separate software for database management system. We learned about the society, law and ethics. It's a time of social media, so we must know the law used with that society, law and ethics. So we learn all these concept of social media and the cyber law. Next is the computer fundamentals. Though we start the things from the beginning, so we start from the computer fundamental in class 11. Next content is about the plotting graph in Python. So basically we can convert the data which we have stored into a chart, maybe a pie chart, maybe a bar chart. So there are many ways we can convert the data into a charts using the language Python. Now discussing that what different companies using the Python for their purposes. So Python is used by companies in real revenue generating products such as the language in operations of Google search engine, YouTube, etc. BitTorrent peer-to-peer file sharing is written using Python. Intel, Cisco, HP, IBM, etc. use Python for hardware testing. Maya Software provides a Python scripting API application program interface. The iRobot uses Python to develop commercial robots, and NASA and other use Python for their scientific programming tasks. So Python has a lot of modules and these modules can be incorporated to do the tasks. That's why it is more growing now and more popular also. Now telling you about the marking scheme. The paper of theory we have 70 marks here and the practical is of 30 marks, which is mainly in most of the subjects you get like physics, chemistry, computer science and other subjects also get the theory paper of 70 marks and practical is of 30 marks. Then the future scope of learning Python. You know that it's a fast growing language and nearly everywhere in all the engineering colleges the Python is being taught. The scope you can say that the software development is the first scope that a person can become a software developer. The next is about database administrator. One can become a database administrator because you learn the database also. The next is about helps in engineering in computer science or applications. Data scientist, data analyst is a post that person can get, and system analyst. These are the few lists I have shown you, but believe me, there are more features, there are more scope you get when you learn this language, when you learn the computer subject. You know that computer is an integral part of every field now. Any field you go, you find the computer there. So it has proven its scope in all the fields. So learning computer is always a fun and always a benefit of the student. Few points that you can be noting here that computer science and informatics practices are the academic electives. Next is about nearly 80% course content is same in CS and IP. So you have same course in those, few changes are there that I have already told you. Next is the CS deals for data structures, whereas IP deals for data science. This is the only difference. Rest, most of the things are nearly same. One has to study Python compulsory while pursuing engineering. So when you go for engineering, you have to learn the C language, C++ language, Python language. So that helps the student to know about the computer subject and computer language. So this is not only going to create your future, rather it is going to develop the critical thinking in you also. So I hope you all have got it, and before deciding your fifth subject, you must think that what is the use of the fifth subject in your life. Before choosing, you talk to the person who have been already in these subjects. Your elders, they may help you in choosing. Thank you. Jai Hind.